Quick question. Should these valve covers be loose like this? Could somebody let me know? They're both loose. Hey YouTube, so back at the 59 Li. So today I'm trying to work on getting the starter, the old starter bracket off, and maybe try to get the new starter on. I started a little bit, but haven't gotten very far, so here we go. That was easy. So here's the this funky setup, which definitely is homemade. It's all L brackets and stuff like that. So this is still an L bracket. That's some pieces are welded on to it. So I don't know what starter was on there originally, or previously I should say. But whatever it is, it's not the original Gravely. So like I said, I have a Gravely starter that I'm going to drop on this. So that's the plan. So I got the pulley off, starter pulley. So definitely really dirty. Not horrible. I've had worse, but yeah, it's definitely got a leak somewhere. But it's typical Gravely's. So my plan was to try not to take this off, but I have a feeling I need to take it off because I have a feeling it's just coated with oil all in the fins, and I want to get in there and clean all that out. So I didn't want to have to take this off because these bolts are a big pain in my ass to get out and do it by hand. So I'm going to see if I can just take this stuff off and then take it all off as one piece, but it means I got to take these off in order to do it. So never easy to really get into this, but oh well, it is what it is. I'm going to blow out the oil lines too, so we'll get back at it. So I, as you saw in the video, basically got the pulley off, which was a little harder than banged it on a little harder than I wanted to, but got it out. Got the oil line cleaned, blew that out. There wasn't, like I said before, there wasn't much down in the bottom as far as like particulates, so I was excited to see that. So this side's clean. Blew out the oil tube, make sure it's all tight, put new Teflon on it, so make sure we're not sucking any air. Basically, it's good. You can see how it lines up, straight line, and it actually pulls it into place, which is good. So now, just a matter of maybe dragging out the starter and seeing what I have to do to hook that up, and if there's any parts I need to change, whether this stud is long enough, stuff like that. So let me start digging that stuff out. Got the gas tank off, though I didn't want to, but I want to just get in here and assess this. Yeah, it's blowing some oil. I don't remember if these are supposed to, I don't know if these are supposed to do this. Kind of seems like it defeats the purpose if they're this loose. But a couple things I'm happy about. I'm happy the fins are not totally covered with oil, which would reduce heat loss, like just cooling power. So it is under here, so I don't know, I'll take a look at it and see how far I want to get into this, if I want to replace that gasket. If it, it's one of those if I replace the gasket, do I want to replace rings? And you know, I'm going down a path that of much more work than I wanted to. So, but that's where we are for today. Hope to, you know, get more of this done soon, because I want to actually get on to other projects. Just get over and done with this one. But that's where we are for today. So, hey, thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.